Hey guys, good to see you. Hope everybody's doing well today. Thought I'd take a look back at Jimmy Hague, JC News now, since he's still locked up and is going to be locked up for a good long time, even before his trial. I thought we'd take a look at some of his best work that he ever did as a fine First Amendment auditor. First, I'm going to show you his recent court update, and this is it. Here it is, folks. I just got this in my mail this morning, my mailbox. Pretrial setting was held yesterday, 5/1. He doesn't have to appear again until his jury, well, he's got a couple of pretrials, I guess. No date entered yet, but his jury trial is, February 2025. 2025. The pretrial is January 2025. So he's got a good long wait for that. I don't know why it's taken so long. He must have waived speedy trial. 2025. What's this one? Jesus Christ. He's got several months before he even goes to court. Anyway, it's for a second felony for stalking harassment, felony harassment. He just got out of jail for the same charge. He was in jail for probably around 6 months. But it's a real tragic story. Lives with his mother, drives her car, owns nothing, 50 years old. This is what First Amendment auditing is. Alright, let's get on with some of his fine work. I may have forgot to mention, he is still in jail waiting for court. He's not out. He's been in for a couple of months. They did that warrant on him, and they picked him up, and they're going to hold him until he goes to court.
Alright, I'm just here to tour the building.
Hang on just a second, sir. I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Hey, Lewis is going.
He is in a tiny little courthouse somewhere in Missouri, and he just wants to take a tour of the building, which is where he's standing right now. There is no place else to go but right there, that little tiny lobby.
All right, sir. How can I help you today?
I just wanted to tour the building.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry I can't allow you to videotape inside our building.
Okay, I won't go in any courtrooms or the court clerk's office.
Yeah. Our sheriff is on the way up to address the situation here.
No,
Hey.
it's not going to happen, sir.
Why?
Because the judge says we're not going to film inside the buildings.
Well, the Supreme Court of Missouri says only the courtrooms and court clerk's office.
There you go, Jimmy. Throw the law right at him. Supreme Court, go all the way to the top. Don't mess around. Just let them know what's going on, and they're bound to let you in.
Okay?
That's
Well,
the law.
I just told you, we just told you that is what our judge said, and that's what we're going to enforce. So it's not
You're
going to
gonna
happen.
you're gonna enforce an unlawful order?
If that's the way you want to look at it, yes.
It is that's the way it is.
Well, but I'm just telling you what's happening, okay?
All right, I'm gonna inform you it's a violation of my rights,
Okay?
and that I'm gonna hold you accountable for that.
Okay.
You know, it didn't work too well for the Nazis at Nuremberg.
There you go, Jimmy. You got him this time. I'm pretty sure it's going to work this time, referring to them as Nazis. That usually works just about every time.
Okay. All right.
So
I understand that.
if I walk through, you're gonna arrest me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all I needed to hear. All right, what's your name and your badge number?
My name's Captain LaRose, and I don't have a badge number.
You know,
No.
what's your name and badge number?
Corporal Ballard.
All right, thank you. Yours?
Deputy Morris.
You got a number?
We don't have badge numbers.
Got a call number?
No.
No. What about yours?
Sir, I'm going to ask you to leave the building now and
Yes,
stop
sir.
filming.
Well, can I get his badge number?
No, sir. You don't have badges. We explained that to you.
Can I get his name? Because I'm gonna put him on the.
You can go on now, sir. Thank you.
Can you give me his name?
Sir, you can leave the...
I'm outside of the building.
Thank you.
Deputy Cannon.
Deputy Can.
I need to let these people in, sir. Excuse
Oh,
me.
Pardon me, I'm sorry.
Here you are, folks.
I don't want to block the egress. All right, I'm gonna hold your clients accountable.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, get back to work.
Now, that was a proper audit there, Jimmy. You did a fantastic job. You threw out all the right lines. Didn't quite work this time, but I'm sure the next time you try it, it's going to work. You know, the Nazis, and you're going to hold them accountable. He's never filed a lawsuit, but, you know, he's been convicted of some felonies. manufacturing, you know, bad stuff and all that sort of thing. Anyway, let's get on to one that I really, really like. And in this video, Jimmy's going to audit some vehicles that he doesn't quite like the way they're parked, and he's going to go into the police parking lot and audit a few vehicles there and almost get beat up by a 4-foot-tall red-headed girl.
Look at this truck. Yep, that's his. Hey, eat a dick. How about that?
Oh, yeah, I'll show you there.
Hey, so how you doing, Sergeant? Can I get a officer complaint form, please?
Yes, sir. Should be right there right there. Right out.
This one?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. You know, you got a deputy out there driving with no tags on his truck. They're on the front, but they ain't on the back. I'm sure that deputy's wrote a ticket for no tags before. Do you see the problem with that?
What's wrong, Jimmy? Did you get a ticket in your mom's car when you were driving it around using up her gas? Just wondering.
It falls on you, sir. You're the boss.
Okay.
Are you
Fill
gonna?
out your complaint. I have someone come talk to you.
Well, no, I don't need to talk. I'm just addressing the situation, so I don't have to file a complaint. I don't want to file one on you, sir.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to have to file one on this other officer. That would be inappropriate, wouldn't it, Jimmy? You want to handle it the right way.
But you do need to address the situation.
Okay. I'll mention it to him.
Thank you.
Hang on, folks. Shit's about to hit the fan.
Hi. Oh, I got one.
Good. Good for you. Get your fucking phone out of my face.
Eat a dick.
Get your phone out of my face. Don't come up to my fucking vehicle with your phone in my fucking face. You understand me? Get it out of my face or I'll knock the shit out of you.
Really? That's a
I
threat.
really will. That's fine. Get it on
Come on,
video.
let's go in here
Get
and
out
do
of
it. Come on.
That's one of the police officer's wife, by the way. Jimmy's gonna go in and tell on her.
Now I got a problem. This lady out here just threatened me.
Just threaten you?
Yep. I got it all on unobjective witness. She said, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you if you don't get your camera out of my face. She called me over her car and I had it down and she said, get a life, so I put it up.
Okay.
I'm within the law. I'm reporting a crime.
Okay.
No. Nope.
Okay.
It just doesn't get much more pathetic than that. Did you see the size of that girl? She's like 4 feet tall. Jimmy's about, what, 5'8", 5'7"? Oh my God, what a baby. Now he's gonna go back looking for more.
Wants to make my video. Awesome.
My children are in this car. Get your phone away from my vehicle right now.
Eat a dick. You didn't hear me the first time, bitch?
Oh, okay. That's fine. Hey, go get Officer 241 outside right now. Josh Smith, please. Quit videoing my car with my children in it. Go on. Go.
I do love the nervous humming that Jimmy does. He does it in all of his videos. He can't help it.
You're starting to really piss me off, dude.
Good. It shows. Shows you don't have very good home training.
Get your video away from my children right now.
All right. There you have it. Caring. Calm down, Becky. Karen's in the wild.
Looks more like a mother trying to protect her kids from a rabid-looking douchebag. That's what it looks like to me.
Get this man out of my face.
What's it look like I'm doing, genius?
Calm
Because she's,
told me to eat a dick, videoing my kids. Get your video out of my face. Seriously.
You didn't hear me the first 2 times? Get your ass in your truck and don't worry about what I'm doing. Put a muzzle on that bitch.
Hey, you watch your mouth. How about that?
Oh, no, sir, man. You just put a muzzle on your bitch. That's what you need to do. Yeah, well, genius.
Or what?
There's no reason to talk like that.
I'll talk any way I want. You don't limit my speech.
Okay, but you're trying
Fuck
to
you.
You're trying to limit
You and you. I'll take a picture of anything I want in public, dumbass. Yeah, what's your badge number, sir? Got a badge number?
No.
You're not gonna identify? I'm gonna find out. You understand me?
241. What did I do
All
to
right,
you?
what's your name? The way you approached me and you didn't stand up for your oath, you dumb tyrant. Fuck you. Get back in there and quit wasting my tax dollars, you bitch.
Jimmy don't take no prisoners, man. He goes all in. He don't mess around.
Now, what was you saying to me, sir?
You said that I can't limit your speech, but you're trying to limit her speech.
No, I'm not
Same
limiting.
thing.
She's saying anything she wants,
You
as
told
long
him-
as it's not
you
a
told-
what?
You told him to muzzle her. That's super disrespectful.
She just made a threat to me, dude. And your sergeant in there's letting it go on, just like all you other fucking tyrant motherfuckers around here.
We told you to come in and fill us out of state.
No,
You
you.
weren't going to do that.
Fuck you, bitch. Eat a dick. Did you hear me the first 3 times? Oh, I don't give a f. I'm at home, dumbass. You f***ing stupid bitch. Fuck all y'all. Is it illegal?
I didn't say
Well,
it
then
was
why are you even talking to
I
me?
said, is it reasonable?
It is reasonable, sir.
Is it?
You see that flag right there?
I see that.
It
flag.
guarantees me the right. How dare you try to suppress it?
I'm not suppressing
Well, then
it, right?
shut
In all fairness, Jimmy, telling everybody else to shut up is limiting their First Amendment, isn't it? Or does that go right over your head? You don't understand that?
up. Go back to work. Quit wasting my tax dollars. You can tyrants.
You're wasting your own money right now, sir.
I'm keeping you accountable. And it's hard to do in Howell County, but it's coming.
Okay.
You f***ing pigs. F*** you, bitch. And your kids. Dumbass.
Poor Jimmy Hague. JC News now. He is so misunderstood. He tries so hard to help the general public uphold their rights. Sometimes he loses his temper, and this is what happens. He gets vested by a 4-foot tall girl. Amazing. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, folks. Just thought you might like some of the old classics. I love y'all. Bye. Have a great day.